U.S. stocks fell on Friday, notching a weekly loss, with the Dow and S&P 500 each dropping more than 0.6% and the Nasdaq shedding 1%. President Donald Trump opened a new front in global trade tensions by recommending 50% tariffs on European goods and warned Apple it could face potential 25% tariffs on foreign-made iPhones sold to U.S. customers. While this unleashed a fresh wave of market uncertainty, stocks clawed back from steeper losses earlier in the session. Jason Brown, president of Alexis Investment Partners, sees this as a sign that investors are adjusting to the new normal of Trump's tough trade talk.
So I think given that backdrop, being almost back to flat and almost kind of hitting flat a few times throughout the day, it's almost positive and so forth. I mean, it's pretty high hurdles, and I think what it partly tells us is that the market is doing a pretty good job of digesting this sort of new world we're in terms of how Trump negotiates, uses tariffs, and is just sort of taking things a little bit in stride more than certainly they were a month ago.
Trump's Apple threat pushed shares of the tech giant down 3%. The 6 other Magnificent Seven stocks also closed lower. Among other movers, Deckers Outdoor slumped nearly 20% after the maker of Ugg boots forecast first-quarter net sales below estimates and said it would not provide annual targets due to tariff-led macroeconomic uncertainty. Sportswear maker Nike dropped more than 2%. And shares of Workday slumped 12.5% after the software company forecast second-quarter subscription revenue in line with Wall Street expectations, anticipating weakening client spending on its product.